Alright, let's do this. Look at the mountains. Cool, eh? Alright, so I decided to stop in Medicine Hat. Only ended up doing like 450 miles today. Sorry, kilometers. I'm always on the miles. Anyway, I'm staying at a Walmart. I don't think I need to pull my generator and put it out. And I have really good cell reception, so I'm just going to use that tonight. And get up in the morning, get some propane, and take off again, I guess. So I have just under 4,000 miles left, about 3,800, and I'm thinking 6 to 7 days, well, 7 days, right? So it's a nice night, but it's cold. It's cold. Anyway, so I'll see you all tomorrow. This is the boring part of the trip, by the way. Good morning. It's a nice sunny day. It's supposed to go up above freezing. Thanks, Walmart. You rock. It's so cold my steering wheel is squeaking when I'm turning it. That's kind of weird. Wow. Okay. Okay, he says no way. He said there's no way you're gonna fit in here. Saskatchewan. I'm still not 100% convinced I want to stay here tonight, but that was the plan. Okay, first things first, we gotta wash this rig, and then gas. Like, I literally have like 30 kilometers to bone dry empty. That's pretty bad, eh? Watch this, she's gonna freeze up now. Okay, straight to the gas station now. I gotta get gas. It's critical.
Take the exit.
Had to get my winter coat on. Ooh, it's cold. Okay, let's go do this. Deer everywhere. Holy, there was like 50 of them. Okay, I'm confused. I don't understand what's going on. I went in the one way from the road and it looks permanently closed. But there was picnic tables there, there was garbage, there was a pit toilet. So obviously oh wait, what's this? Oh boy, I don't know if I want to do this. I might have to put her into four-wheel drive for this. Okay, now it's telling me to go back. Well, it's saying 1 kilometer, it's there. But we'll see, we'll try it. Hey, I got an open mind, right? Gotta keep an open mind. Oh, there's the sign. Although it does say no trucks. Uh-oh. Oops. Yeah, see, they just brought me back to the same place. I just drove 10 clicks going around in circles, coming back to the same friggin' place. And it's clearly closed. I mean, and it looks permanently closed to me, because what do you do with the bricks? Do you pick them up and carry them out? Like, so what I might do is just park here anyways, you know? Like, why not? Seems like a plan. And it's off the highway a bit. Don't have any coverage, cell coverage. That sucks. All right, let's have a look. Here, I'll go in the back. It's easier. I didn't know my hot water tank was still on. Oh no. No, 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 no. Yeah, my hot water heater was on all day. Yeah, 17%. I think I might find out where that first town is, go to that town, swap out the batteries. Sorry, swap out the propane tanks, because by then this will be down close to zero. And that's the nice part, because that's a swappable tank. And then put the other one in, and that should get me till tonight. Got my big expedition jacket. This is what's called a Canada Goose. Good to -40. So this would be the time to use it. It's called the Expedition. It goes right down to my knees almost. It's pretty wild. Okay, I think everything is okay. I know it's a mess, right? I'm sorry. It's just the way it is. You can't help it. But the thing is, I got a battery cooking over here. It's the only reason I got the inverter on. Maybe I'll just shut the inverter off and use that battery, whatever it's got left on it. It's a mighty cold out of here. Sure glad I washed my baby. It's gonna take a while to warm this thing up, trust me. The moment of truth. Come on, baby, please start, please start. Yes, yes, woohoo! Somebody was here last night. Okay. Squeak, 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 squeak. Oh, look at that, birch trees. Nice. So there's a camp spot there. Not bad, eh? Yeah, we'll come back. I don't want to get too far in because I don't have boots. Looks like there was a fire here too. Check that out. Come on, warm up. We're not going to get any solar today at all. So, power is at a premium. Give it a few more minutes yet. Wow, you hear that? She is cold. I've got to give this at least 10 more minutes. It's a diesel. Diesels are finicky in the cold. Wow, she started like a champ. Woo! Oh, so happy. Happy, happy. The needle hasn't moved. Ooh, she's creaky. Everything's creaking. Oh man, this is wild.